gloss I want to wear. I already brushed my hair, got my sunglasses and stuff, and my body shimmer. And then I got this Kylie Always Shining High Gloss. It's clear but glittery. And then I have this clear one. And then I have the plumping gloss that's kind of like a little bit tinted. So I don't know which one I'm going to wear. I'm definitely not going to wear my mascara because it's going to run, obviously, when I get in the water. So I'm going to put on my body shimmer and then lip gloss. And I do my nails too. They're pink with glitter on them. Layered necklace from Claire's, and then this baseball mom cork kind of necklace. That was thrifted. I have my cup and it's just beach please, and then it's pink, so I'm gonna fill it up with water. My little Liz McGuire shoes that I have, they're really cute. I really like them. They have like a bunch of like chunk on them. I love that. And I'll show you guys my beach bag. I'm bringing to the beach. It's like a little bandana bag. It's really cute. I really like it. And then I have my sunglasses. And those are just my blue light glasses I've used earlier to edit. But then this is my lip gloss I'm taking, the clear lip gloss. And yeah, so that's basically everything I'm gonna bring. And then I just have on like, you know, my cardigan, like I said. Okay, so I have this filled up now. I filled it up with cold water. And yeah, so it's really cute and it's ready for me to bring. Bit like a cute little what's my beach bag. So have my sunglasses. I'm gonna put those on though, so it's not really my beach bag, but have this clear lip gloss and then a little thing of lotion. My mom was bringing the sunscreen so you can put it on like every 2 hours. And then I got my brush. I also have my inhaler, and that's it for in there. I have to transfer my pom-pom and my little like claw clips to my other bag, but yeah, that's a little what's my beach bag.
They keep splashing us. Oh my god! I'm like, can you not? Oh my god, my leg, ready? Ouch! Whoa, whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at Daddy over there. Get us a towel. Okay, so we're in the pool right now. Yeah. And these kids keep splashing. I know, it is kind of annoying. They get my hair wet. I know, like, I don't want my hair wet, but they keep doing things like this. And then, why are you out?
guys, so we're just at the beach right now. I'm going on vacation this summer. Make sure to put where you're going in the comments down below, because I do want to know where everybody's going. And if you want a seashell, I found so many seashells. If you want one, comment down below this emoji on the screen and I'll send you a free seashell. We're gonna head to get something to eat and get some more groceries, because we don't really have that much here since it's only day 2, but we're gonna get some more stuff and then grab something to eat while we're out. I did change my outfit from my bathing suit, of course, but same jewelry and everything, just different shirt, different shorts. My shorts are pretty wet, but then I got the same bag on, same hair clip hairstyle. I should my sunnies up here, but yeah.